You going down the slide?
Are you gonna go down the slide?
Can you stand right there? Are you going down frontward or backward?
Whoa!
Did you like that, Clover?
So she just does it herself, huh?
Yes.
Whoa.
She's gonna be so dirty, Tanner.
I know, I'm gonna have to bleach it all.
Will you catch her down here, Schroeder?
Oh, did you get a sticker?
You're gonna
Here,
what?
let me see. Did you get a sticker?
Do it.
Are you gonna go down the slide?
She don't like those wood pieces. She's got dirt and wood on her. Yay! She's gonna go again.